Hi there. If you've been following my videos, you know that I've been giving lots of tips on how to teach reading to our learners with Down syndrome and other developmental delays. And in non-COVID times, I travel the country giving workshops. But since COVID arrived, I've been giving online workshops to organizations rather than being in person. Doing those conferences online has been great in many ways. And one way in particular that I've enjoyed them is the interactive exchange we can have through the chat box. It's been great to have participants able to make comments, ask questions as we go along in the sessions. One of my favorite questions, which was really a demand, was this one from a mom who said, "I need a recipe. I want a parent recipe. What do I do in week 1 or week 2? Help!" What she meant, of course, was that she wanted a lesson plan for her child based on my reading program. She wanted to know how to build a reading program at home based on my methods. So because of that request from that mom, I've developed a parent recipe. And in case you feel the same way as she did, I'm going to give that recipe to you. Now, in spite of my best efforts at trying to navigate the procedure of uploading a PDF to a Facebook post, it apparently ain't going to happen. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to tap the message button, send me a message, and let me know that you would like the parent recipe PDF. And give me your email address because that's the only way I'm going to be able to send it to you. And please put my email address in your contact list, or you can look in spam. But it's specialreads@yahoo.com. specialreads@yahoo.com. So this parent recipe will at least give you a starting point, whether you're teaching an emergent reader or a reader at the primer or first grade level or beyond. This recipe is your jumping off place. You can take it from there because you'll understand how to build a reading program for your child or teen or adult. So accommodate it according to your child's personality, your family's schedule, etc. So get creative and enjoy, and I'll see you next time.